Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's JanscrazyLife. So this week for the It's Fall Y'all collab, it's so funny. I love the name that she picked up. So it's all about fall y'all is a collab. Don't forget to check out the ladies in the description box and see what magical stuff they created. So I made this tag and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So what I did was, I did this on my Friday Night Live, but I took this wired ribbon, ran it down the middle, and then cut it down the middle up here and tied it. And it kind of looks like this, and there's a bunch of layering in different aspects. So I hope that you guys like this, and don't forget to again check out everybody. Thanks for hosting this cat and Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. So subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.